Yep, Kawasaki, they got rid of the KLR650. But the good news is Kawasaki is rumored to have something brand new in the works. Yep, we're going to talk about it next on the Rant and Ride.
Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Yep, pretty good week. Pretty good week. Not bad at all. Weather was a little chilly. We missed a big storm. I know people up north got blasted with a lot of snow and everything, and it just skirted us and missed us. And I'm okay with that. That's why I live in Texas. I don't do snow very well. It's fun for a little bit, but when it comes, I want it gone. Anyway, thank you to everybody that supports the channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. Don't wait. Give us a thumbs up. Be part of it. We have hundreds of videos, all the way from tips and tricks to gears, to motorcycles, to reviews, to information. And don't forget, 690adv@gmail.com. Any info that you need, I will do my best to help you out at any time, anywhere, any place. And if you would like to be a sponsor of the channel, don't forget we have a Patreon. Head on over there, patreon.com/690adv. We sure would love you to be a sponsor. It really helps us out, and it will help the channel grow and make it bigger, better, and faster. Because the 690 ADV is not just me, it is all of us. Anyway, thank you so much again. Happy Friday. Intro, Kawasaki. What? Yeah, it's kind of been floating around a little bit. I don't think this is like late breaking or smashing news or anything like that, but me and my buddy, Billy J, Storymoto, we've been talking about it for years. I've owned two KLR650s, and I just think that bike is kind of a Swiss Army knife kind of a motorcycle. The only thing that I think is wrong with that motorcycle, and we've said it for years and years and years, is that it is underpowered. That bike is so underpowered for a single cylinder. It does do a great job for what you ask it to do. It'll do everything, but it really is underpowered, almost dangerously underpowered. So what we said for a long time was, man, how awesome would it be if they took that KLR and threw that motor out of there and put in an engine motor? Yeah, that would have been awesome. Well, that never happened. They discontinued the KLR650. Broke a lot of people's hearts. It really broke my heart too, because it's been around since, well, forever. And not only that, it just was a staple of a motorcycle. And I just think, it could have been so much more. But I understand with the new emissions and all those things, not beating a horse into the dirt too hard. I understand, I think maybe they could have went fuel injected or something like that, but you know what? This new concept bike. So let's just jump past there. And this is my personal opinion. I don't know, it's not fact or anything like that, but if you haven't seen it, if you look on screen, that motorcycle there is a concept, but the rumor is Kawasaki is secretively working on a 700cc adventure bike. Now, with that being said, looking at these concepts, it just makes total sense. And I think that what will come from this is that they are working on a KLR replacement. And I think that this bike here at 700 cc's, what are you... Anyway, I think it would be a great replacement. At 699 cc's, I think the bike would be perfect. A twin, if you look at it, it looks to be a 21-inch front tire, a 17-inch rear, maybe an 18. I don't know 100%. But if you look at the engine, it definitely looks like a twin cylinder. And if they could get the weight right, You know, if you're thinking like around the V-Strom 650, the Versus 650, and some of the other ones, this is a more setup capable bike, more closer to a Tenere type of bike in competition, or the 790 in competition. I think this bike could be definitely a competitor. And we know Kawasaki, they're real good about getting their numbers right as far as like cost and stuff like that. So the KLX is what the rumored name is, 700. And that KLX 700, man, in a twin, good ground clearance, good protection, twin engine or twin cylinder engine, and with about probably, because you figure the Versus 650 somewhere around like 60 something horsepower, maybe get it at around 70 at 699 cc. Boy, you got a hit on your hand. I can tell you right now, I would be highly interested in a bike of that caliber, especially from Kawasaki, because I know that Kawasaki, they're going to build a great bike. That's just, it's just a given, man. So the KLX 700 rumored bike, twin cylinder, 690 cc, 21 front, 1718 rear, man, with the numbers right and a decent fuel, you know, basically fuel tank, maybe say 4 gallons, maybe 4.5. I don't know what you think. Put it down in the in the comments. A hit. I don't see how they could go wrong. And if they could get the number right, man, they could sneak a lot of sales from Yamaha. And I really think that it's Yamaha that Kawasaki's truly maybe going after. What do you think? Because that 700 Tenere, at the price that they have it set at, you know as well as I do, great bike. It's going to do the business. Good to travel on. Going to be really good for an off-road, for a larger adventure bike. And the price, they nailed it, man. They absolutely flat nailed it on the price. And if they can get a Kawasaki KLX 700 and get that bad boy for about $9 grand, I'm just telling you right now, you better pre-order or you won't get one. What do you think? KLX 700, KLR 650 replacement. Would you buy one? Would you be interested in one? And really, what would it take for you to want one? What would it have to have? I don't think it needs all the bells and whistles. I don't think it needs all the crazy, extra fluff. Let's just make it a real adventure bike that you can actually get out and eat miles on and go off-road and actually have a great time and do the actual real adventure traveling. Anyway, KLX 700 from Kawasaki, rumored probably in 2021. What do you think? Put it down below. Let everybody know what you think, or if you know information, man, put it down there. I'm Joe, 690ADV, 690ADV.com. Don't forget to go and sign up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you want to be a sponsor, man, we sure would love you, and we would be happy and so very appreciative for any help that you could help with our channel. Anyway, for 690ADV, I'm Joe. You guys have a fantastic weekend. Be safe. Get out and ride. March is right around the corner. It's riding season, man. Other than that, we thank you so much. 690 out.